Hi everyone, let us see the methodology for selection of a kingpin. What is a kingpin? Kingpin is a component that connects the tractor, which can be a prime mover, horse or lead trailer, and the rear trailer. Now this is done via fifth wheel coupling. Fifth wheel coupling is on the lead trailer or a tractor or a horse, and kingpin is on the rear trailer. The kingpin goes and locks or snaps into the fifth wheel coupling. Let us see what is the kingpin engagement with fifth wheel coupling. The kingpin consists of kingpin mounting plate. Then there is a trailer skid plate. On the trailer skid plate, the kingpin is either bolted or it's welded. Then there is a fifth wheel top plate. Then there is a fifth wheel bottom plate and the kingpin flange. The flange has a very peculiar use. It prevents the lifting due to the vertical loading. While selecting kingpin, D value is of very prime importance, and this is the theoretical reference value between towing vehicle and the trailer. Now how is a D value calculated? The formula for D value is D is equals to G into 0.6 T into T divided by T plus R minus U, where T is the weight of towing vehicle including the vertical load on the fifth wheel. Now this vertical load on the fifth wheel is generally 1/3 of the total load of the trailer. In this case, R is the total load of the total weight of the loaded semi trailer, and then U will be 1/3 of the R. So let us see a sample calculation. For example, T is equals to 17. In this case, the tractor weight is of 7 tons plus the vertical load U, which is of 10 tons, and R is 33 tons. 10 tons imposed on the fifth wheel and 23 tons on the rear bogie. So when we put everything on the formula, we get a D value of 82.5 kilonewton. Now let us see the kingpin details. We can see there are different types of kingpins. There is a 2-inch kingpin and there is a 3.5-inch kingpin, and it consists of a plate, and then designation type is embarked or engraved on this kingpin. The designation is a very peculiar way. It consists of kingpins category starts with KZ. Then there is a series number 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 28, and then the third number is the skid plate thickness A. So the third number in the kingpin series is actually the plate thickness. It can be of 8, 10, 12 or 16 mm. So earlier we saw a value which came out around 82.5 kilonewton. Once we have that value, we just select the kingpin. So this is taken from the Jost catalog. We can see a D value of 105 kilonewton. Now this is a very safe selection. We will have a factor of safety on this. If we need a larger factor of safety, we can select a higher D value kingpin. But in this current case, it can be safely selected as 105 kilonewton. So this is a 2-inch kingpin, and it will be having a 12 mm skid plate. You can see KZ 1312. In this case, 12 is the thickness of the skid plate.